Hi, my name's Ayesha. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to do a couple of things. So firstly, I'm going to do an unboxing of the welcome box that I got from Persimmon. So on Instagram, you always see like people taking a photo of their box and just like saying that they've got their keys and stuff, but I couldn't find anything that showed what was actually inside the box. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing of that. It's not me holding it up and showing you, I'm just going to show you the products because it was before when I didn't have any furniture and everything was all echoey, so I just filmed it without any audio. So if maybe you've reserved a Persimmon home and you're wondering what's in their little welcome boxes, or maybe you're going for a new build just in general and you're wondering what kind of products they put in their welcome boxes, then this video will show you that. The other thing I'm going to do today is show you a couple of the different rooms and what I'm thinking about doing in those rooms, just so that you can get a flavour of what's to come on the channel. This is the box I got when I picked up my keys. It's quite a large box, and inside there's just a quick welcome note, and then all of the products are underneath the packaging straw. So there's actually quite a lot of things in here. The first thing I found was this Airwick plug diffuser, and it's a lavender flavour. And then of course in 2021 you need hand sanitizer, so that's in there as well. If you've watched the bathroom cleaning video on my channel, you know I love Ecover, so I was really pleased to find this. I didn't have to go out and get it. Some Bayliss and Harding soap, again, good brand. All of the brands in here really seem to be quite good, so that's quite nice that they're not scrimping. I'm not quite sure what that is. There's this candle, which is a nice flavour. Rose is one of my favourite scents. This is exactly what I need, a tape measure, because my two other tape measures are in storage still. Some bleach, or better than bleach apparently, for the toilet. Some tablets for the toilet as well. I guess that's what that little packet was. It fell out. Calgon tabs for the dishwasher, which is good again. Ziflora. I'm actually not a fan of Ziflora. I might give that to my sister or something because she likes it, I think. Oh, Clipper Tea is one of my favourites again. Andrex toilet paper, again a decent brand. One tiny little packet of sugar. Kitchen roll. Oh, okay, so there's coffee in here and there's also some more sugar in there as well. And of course you're going to need a spoon to stir it. Good thinking. Not quite sure what's in here. Okay, so it's a mug, I guess, to have your tea or coffee in from Persimmon. Nice little branding for them, I guess. There's two of these. Got some bin bags for rubbish, which again is probably what you need when you're moving. And at the bottom there's an Ideal Homes magazine from January, which is quite old, but hey. Okay, so far in the kitchen I've switched out these handles. So you can see they're gold Knurled handles, I think they're called. I'll put the link in the description to where I got them from, but they've just got a bit of texture. So this was the original handle, which is quite plain and basic, and I swapped them for that. That's not quite the shape that I was going for. I wanted something that was a little bit gold. This is more of a bright gold than a traditional gold. So ideally, I would have wanted something that was kind of that colour, but they were double the price. So just to make things a bit more affordable, or to just balance the cost, I've gone for this colour. I could always spray paint them, but I think I'm going to just get some other things that are this colour so that they kind of tie in. This is just a quick example of what the floor is going to look like. I've just been laying out some of the pieces of woods just to kind of see where I want the pattern to go. So at first I had that bit there, but I think if I move it over a bit and have this bit be more centre, then that will work out better, because the edge is not going to finish there. It's going to go underneath a little bit more, just so that it looks finished once the kickboards are back in place. So yeah, everything's going to be shifted ever so slightly to here, and then it will just be like that. So yeah, while I'm in the kitchen, let's just show you this. This is a dough bowl, and it's from Gwendolyn Loves Interiors, and it's huge, and it's like a heritage piece, so she's like really carefully sourced this. I am going to use it for dough, but also it's good for decoration as well, so I'll probably move it around, but at the minute it's sitting in the kitchen. I was thinking of putting it on the wall here on like a shelf and making like a feature piece out of it, so we'll see, but stay tuned for that. But yeah, if you are interested in supporting small businesses, then Gwendolyn Loves Interiors is a really good place to go. And let me show you these as well, actually. So these are little olive oil bottles that I got from her as well, and again, they're different to what you can find in shops, so I quite like her bits and pieces. Okay, so this is the other room that's getting done quite soon as well. So these are the tiles that I've picked for the ensuite, and they are penny round tiles on a mosaic mesh, and I'm hoping that the builder's going to come today and start laying them. So that's going to be all over the floor with white grout. I don't like the dark grout. What I want is like subtle texture, so I want the white on white, and you should be able to just make out the shape of the penny tiles to just give subtle texture. So I've had to try and match everything with those tiles in there, because that's what the person who reserved the plot before me picked. So yeah, the decisions are based on that. So I got this little under sink cabinet because there's no storage in here. But I'm probably either going to have to look for something a bit different, because that's not really the colour that I'm going for. If you think of the flooring that I show in the kitchen, that's more the shade that I'm after. So this is a bit like whitewashed, if you like. Also, probably, if anything, I'll change. I like gold rather than silver. Doesn't have that much space in it. Could barely fit this in. But yeah. But it's got enough space for like toiletries and stuff, and these random bits are just like homemade body products. So no, I do not keep coconut milk powder in my bathroom. It's like a shea butter mix. But anyways, so the thing I don't like about this is this gap here. So it just looks a bit unfinished. So what I want to do is put some feet on it, or put like a base on it so that it sits up here and it looks a bit more like fitted, if that makes sense. So other than that, I think it will just be styling in here. I want to get something to go there for storage. And there's a little space there as well, which maybe a little bin or some other bits and pieces can go in as well. Okay, so hopefully that gives you a bit of a flavour of what is going on here at the moment. There's going to be lots more to come, but I want to make sure that I get the flooring first. So the wood flooring actually came today, and then the carpet's on its way as well. Once I have those things, then I can think about other things that I want to buy to match it all up. Some things also have a long delivery time, like the sofa, for example, takes like 12 weeks to come, or 6 weeks, I can't remember how long it said, but it takes a while to come, so I'll do things as and when I kind of get them. So that's it for today's video. Make sure that if you're not already subscribed, that you subscribe, and you can click the little bell as well so that you get notified whenever I put a new video out, so that you can keep up with the progress of what I'm doing in this home. Don't forget to press the like button as well if you like what you saw in the video, and also give me your suggestions and your thoughts, your comments on what I've got so far. Are you liking them? What do you think? You take care of yourselves, and I will see you in the next video.